Hi students, I'm Sonia from Vidya Guru. We are starting a new session on current affairs. If you like the session, press the like button, share the video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you do that, you will get the benefit of all the exam relevant videos which we upload. I actually expect your feedback all the time. I get the feedback that these many questions were there in the exam that you taught. I get happy by such feedback. Stay put, watch the entire video. That is going to benefit you again, because at the end the revision is important. That the revision is going to help you out a lot. Because at the end I am going to pronounce all those words again that will help you to retain them. Let's start from the very first question, which is about Debjani Ghosh. She is a famous personality, we all know about her. Now she has become the president of NASSCOM. Debjani Ghosh, repeating the name often just to make you actually learn the name easily. Debjani Ghosh, new president of NASSCOM. Don't forget her name, that's NASSCOM. New president of NASSCOM, Debjani Ghosh. Let's start with the second question. Winner of Santosh Trophy. Here I've mentioned football. I know you'll be able to associate it with football very easily, very quickly. But when somebody writes Devdhar Trophy, Dalip Trophy, Santosh Trophy together, it actually becomes difficult for a person to judge which trophy is associated with which sport. You need to understand Santosh Trophy is associated with football. Even this can be the important question that you need to keep in your mind. Santosh Trophy is associated with football. Whenever we say that it is associated with football, people who are aware about it, they know that West Bengal should be the answer of such a question, because every time quite evidently West Bengal wins Santosh Trophy. But this time it did not happen. Please keep the answer in your mind. Here the winner is Kerala, and Kerala won the trophy by beating West Bengal. Yes. So you have to keep the name of the winner in your mind. Apart from that, you have to keep the name of the runner-up in your mind too. Every time West Bengal wins that, but something else happened this time. That is why the name becomes even more important for us. Kerala won that by beating West Bengal. Santosh Trophy is associated with football. Kerala won that by beating West Bengal. And the upper question was about Debjani Ghosh, who became the president of NASSCOM. The next question is World Autism Awareness Day. When we refer to this word autism, that means we are referring to a disease, neuro disease. Autism Awareness Day, that means it is not Autism Day. We are actually trying to spread the awareness for the disease. It is actually, the day is actually 2nd April. The day is actually 2nd April. World Autism Awareness Day. World Autism Awareness Day. That's 2nd April. The next question is RBI model for measuring economic activity. Here you need to be more focused. More focused, there's a reason. The question is important. RBI's model for measuring economic activity. Read the sentence carefully, you will be able to understand the answer quickly. RBI, that means RBI measures the economic activity. RBI measures the economic activity. That's what they do. I am saying something else that you need to know is they adopt a model for it. They adopt a model. Let's say if you want to measure the economic activity, you require a model. Earlier they used to use the model that was GVA model. GVA model was gross value added model. Gross value added was the earlier method that RBI used to use for measuring the economic activity. Now they have started using the GDP model. You must be thinking what is new. I am saying GDP model it was not used by RBI for measuring the economic activity. Now they have started using the GDP model. That's the change, that's the transformation. So this is something new, something important you have to keep in your mind. I just wanted to discuss something else with you, and that is that GVA model, gross value added method was basically from the supply side, and this is from the demand side. If you cannot understand anything, I just want to tell you that GDP model is the worldwide famous sort of method. That is why RBI is actually going to adopt this model for measuring the economic activity. One more thing, CSO, that's Central Statistical Organization, they use GDP model for measuring the economic activity. CSO uses the GDP model for measuring the economic activity. Please understand that. One more thing that I would like to share is that GDP base year, there has to be the base year for calculating GDP, and base year for GDP is 2018, 2018 is the base year for the calculation of GDP. Don't forget that, even this is the exam question. 3 questions can be framed here. RBI's model for measuring economic activity, that's GDP model. CSO's model for measuring economic activity, that too is GDP model, and base year for measuring the GDP, that's 2018. Global Logistics Summit venue. So I need to tell you the venue. The venue is New Delhi. If something of this sort happens, this is organized by some agencies. So they are FICCI, FICCI, World Bank, collective, actually the effort of all 3. FICCI, World Bank, and the third one was Ministry of Commerce and Industry. Collectively organized this meet in New Delhi. I said Global Logistics Summit. SWIFT's new cross-border payment service. The name I'm going to tell you, that's GPI initiative. And what's that GPI? GPI is Global Payment Innovation. Global Payment Innovation. That's the name of what? If you can relate this SWIFT, if you can actually recall this SWIFT, I'll tell you. If it has the association with cross-border, please understand, cross-border, that means we are trying to say it has some relevance with international payments. International payment, it has that relevance. So I'm going to decode it for you. In a way, it's like SWIFT's new cross-border payment service, that the name of it is Global Payment Innovation Initiative. I was saying, what's that? What is it all about? It is about, basically it is about the international, it is actually an international payment tracker. It is basically an international payment tracker, and you can track the payment, international payments on live basis. That can happen on live basis. That's actually the improvement. So the kind of improvement, it's very, very, high-end sort of improvement is there. That is why it becomes important. Cross-border, international. So international payment tracker, that's GPI. SWIFT's new cross-border payment service, that's GPI. And I told you that's GPI is basically international payment tracker, which can actually track the live payments. The next question is, Jio Payments Bank is a joint venture, that's JV, joint venture between Reliance Industries, as Jio is associated with Reliance Industries. Something new that I wish to add is SBI is also a part of it on the basis of 70-30, 70%, 30%, 70-30 on the share of 70-30. But that's the joint venture between SBI and Reliance Industries. Jio Payments Bank is a joint venture between Reliance Industries and SBI. Don't forget this question as well. Dadasaheb Phalke Excellence Award. I'm not referring to Dadasaheb Award, which is actually given by the Government of India. It is not that. It is something else. Dadasaheb Phalke Excellence Award is given by Dadasaheb Phalke Foundation. Here we are going to name the winners. Winners, I've actually written winners. That means there are 2 people, Anushka Sharma and Ranbir Singh. They actually, both received the award, but for, different things. Anushka Sharma received the award as a producer, and Ranbir Singh got this award as an actor. So don't forget that they actually received Dadasaheb Phalke Excellence Award. Here we are going to start with the bi-monthly monetary policy of RBI. Let's start with the rates. Repo rate basically 6%, reverse repo 5.75%, bank rate 6.25%. You have to add one MSF also, that's marginal standing facility, that is also 6.25%. So write both, bank rate 6.25, MSF 6.25%, CRR cash reserve ratio, that's 4%. Statutory liquidity ratio, that's 19.50. Repo 6, reverse repo 5.75, bank and MSF 6.25, CRR 4%, 19.5, that's SLR. You need to be familiar with the current rates. That is why I have actually added this question. MS Dhoni and Pankaj Advani. If you have forgotten his name, I am going to remind you that Pankaj Advani, who is associated with snooker, billiards, if you can recall, you know, the kind of champion he is. He has won many awards. So you have to keep his name in your mind. MS Dhoni, Pankaj Advani, associated with billiards, snooker, as you can recall. We have discussed his name many times, so don't forget that. They have actually received Padma awards. Here they have received Padma Bhushan. MS Dhoni awarded with Padma Bhushan. So is the case with Pankaj Advani. They both were given Padma Bhushan. Hina Sidhu, Jeetu Rai, Manu Bhakar. If I actually exclude her name, Jeetu Rai, Manu Bhakar, we have already studied in the previous videos. You can associate both of them with shooting. I've written the name just beside their name. You can associate her name, Hina Sidhu's name, with Manu Bhakar only. So you can actually relate. All three are associated with shooting. You must be thinking, why are we discussing their name? As you guys are aware that Commonwealth Games are on. Australia, Gold Coast, Commonwealth Games are on. So they have won gold. That is why their name become important. Their names become important. Hina Sidhu, Jeetu Rai and Manu Bhakar. They are associated with shooting. Such questions are generally asked. Like Hina Sidhu, she is associated with, you have to say that is she a journalist, weightlifter or shooter. So I was saying she is associated with shooting, don't forget their name. Manu Bhakar, Hina Sidhu and Jeetu Rai. NAM. NAM is non-aligned movement. NAM is non-aligned movement, midterm ministerial meet, ministerial conference venue. The venue was Baku. Baku is basically the capital of the country, Azerbaijan. You must have heard the name. If you have not, I am going to tell you the name of the place. The name of the nation is Azerbaijan. That's the name of the country and its capital is Baku, where this ministerial meet took place. Baku, capital of Azerbaijan, NAM midterm ministerial conference held in Baku. India's first all-electric high-speed locomotive. Locomotive, that means we are referring to rail, all-electric high-speed rail manufacturer under Make in India, but it was actually manufactured by, the company of France and its name is Alstom. The name of the company is important. Don't forget the name of the company. That's Alstom, A-L-S-T-O-M. Alstom is the name of the company. It is basically from France. They have made this locomotive here in India under Make in India. Sahyog Hyoblayog exercise held between India and South Korea. Actually, this exercise is everywhere it is written as Indo-Korean exercise. So don't forget the name, that's Sahyog Hyoblayog exercise held between India and South Korea. And if you wish to know which sort of exercise it is, that is anti-piracy. That is anti-piracy. That's anti-piracy, search and rescue exercise. Sahyog Hyoblayog exercise held between India and South Korea. Told you it is known as Indo-Korean exercise only, and it is what sort of exercise it is. I am going to name that too. Anti-piracy search and rescue exercise. National Maritime Day, when we actually use such a word maritime, that means it is associated with sea, and if it is associated with sea, that means we are referring to Navy. National Maritime Day is observed on 5th April. Acronym for galvanizing bioagro resources. You just need to add one word, organic, here. It actually becomes, let's take it from here, galvanizing, that's G, organic, add that organic here, O, bios B, agros A, and resources R. That becomes gobar, the Hindi word gobar, which actually means cow's dung. Cow dung. That's the name of the scheme, Gobar Dhan. The name suggests you everything, that we are going to utilize, the cow dung for the production, or actually we are going to use it as fuel or the production of biogas or something like that. So some useful things are going to happen under this scheme, Gobar Dhan. Gobar Dhan. If actually I've written the acronym, this question can be asked the other way as well. They can ask you the expanded form of Gobar Dhan as well. You need to know that galvanizing organic bioagro resources, that's the full form of Gobar Dhan. Mirabai Chanu, Sanjita Chanu, R.V. Rahul. If you haven't heard the name of R.V. Rahul, he is the same Venkat Rahul Ragla, Satish Shivalingam and P. Gururaj. We are discussing their name because they all are associated with weightlifting. They are weightlifters. And if I wish to add something, they have won gold till here, but P. Gururaj has won silver. P. Gururaj has won silver. That is why I am going to keeping him away. I am saying Mirabai Chanu, Sanjita Chanu, R.V. Rahul, Satish Shivalingam have, both, all of them have won gold. P. Gururaj, he has won silver. Don't forget that. All they are very, very important. They are weightlifters. Question of this sort is generally asked, like they are associated with. So you need to answer. They all are weightlifters in Commonwealth Games. Which are going on in Gold Coast, Australia. Let's start the revision. Devjani Ghosh, new president of NASSCOM. Kerala won Santosh Trophy by beating West Bengal. World Autism Awareness Day observed on 2nd April. RBI model for measuring economic activity, GDP model, and the base year for measuring GDP is 2018. Global Logistics Summit held in New Delhi. SWIFT's new cross-border payment service, that's Global Payment Innovation Initiative. It is basically the international payment tracker which can actually track the live payments. Jio Payments Bank is the joint venture between Reliance Industries and SBI. Dadasaheb Phalke Excellence Award winners Anushka Sharma for production and Ranveer Singh as an actor. Repo rate 6%, reverse repo 5.7%, bank rate 6.25%, CRR 4%, SLR 19.50. MS Dhoni and Pankaj Advani both were awarded, both actually received Padma Bhushan. Important question. Hina Sidhu associated with shooting, Jeetu Rai, Manu Bhakar associated with shooting. They have won gold in Commonwealth Games. NAM, Non-Aligned Movement, Midterm Ministerial Conference held in Baku. Baku is the capital of Azerbaijan country. India's first all-electric high-speed locomotive, that means rail manufacturer. Alstom, that's the name of the company. This company belongs to France. Sahyog, Hyoblayog exercise held between India and South Korea. National Maritime Day is observed on 5th April. Acronym for galvanizing organic bioagro resources, that's Gobar Dhan. Mirabai Chanu, Sanjita Chanu, R.V. Rahul, Satish Shivalingam, they have brought gold. They have got gold in Commonwealth Games, and P. Gururaj, he has won silver in Commonwealth Games, but all of them are weightlifters. That is why I have written all of them together in the same question. We are wrapping it up. Thank you.